My mind's been stuck in the in-between. Been trying to find an answer for the last 3 weeks. I can't.
Welcome to Celestine's first birthday party.
Pangalan ko kasi Razel anak ko. Tapos siya Anthony. So ginawa kong female version lang yung Tony sa atin. Kaya naging Celestine siya.
Finally know I used to be where I wanna go. Now I finally know. Oh, I can't believe it only gets better and better and better.
Happy birthday, Chinte! Ang wish ko sa'yo ay good health. Mahal na mahal ka namin.
Wish ko, sana lumaki kang mabait na bata at mabuting tao at higit sa lahat may takot sa Diyos.
Sana lumaki kang malusog, matalino at mabait.
It only gets better. It only gets better.
Masasabi ko lang sa anak ko matapang. Maano yung tolerance niya sa pain, yung napapansin ko. Tsaka medyo advanced yung development niya.
Babae, tsaka pinag-pray niya naman yun na ako yung kamukha
Finally know. Oh, I can't believe it only gets better and better and better every single day of my life. Oh, I can't believe it only gets better and better and better every single day of my life. Through all of the change I made, I won't go chasing the good old days.
Birthday message ko sa'yo, itong first birthday mo, forever na maaalala mo to kasi documented to Sana makita mo yung effort namin ng mama mo para teka lang, tinamahan ako para sa'yo to yung ginagawa ni Dan mo palagi yan anak, mahal na mahal kita.
Celestine, wala naman kaming ibang wish ni tatay kundi maging mabuti kang bata, sumunod ka palagi sa mga ano namin, sa mga sinasabi, sa mga payo kasi para sa iyo naman 'yun at saka isa kang malaking blessing sa buhay namin kasi matagal ka naming hinintay. Mahal na mahal ka namin anak. Happy birthday.
It only gets better.